Okay guys, so we are in the lobby eating lunch. I'm with Ethan right now. There he is. What's up guys? He's about to eat, we're about to eat as well. But we just said we're gonna race, so here. Whoops, that was not good. What? Didn't start? Oh, plus 2 and DNF. Okay guys, so we just went out and we're gonna go back to this conference center and came across Logan over here. Say hi to YouTube. Okay. And I'm still with Ethan. Yeah, we were racing for a while and we were getting tons of sub 10s, so I hope that we can do well on 3x3. So, yep.
Nice. Oh, nice one.
No, you're already here. Yeah. What's your name? Megan? George. Okay, George. I just found out just now that a lot of people put effort into practice. You think it's fair to them that they're not having it at nationals? No. Wait, are they really not having? Yeah. Every event, there's way too big for this.
Dude, Jared, that looks so sexy on you.
Thanks, man.
No problem. Just look at that. Wanky Pew. Official. Beautiful. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, go subscribe to Toad Cubing. Yeah, shameless plug.
What do you do there? What do you do
I do cubing. I like reviews and stuff. Riley likes me. Riley likes blocking me. Yeah, Riley doesn't like me apparently. Wow.
You want pretzel?
So nice talking to you,
Yeah.
Toad Cubing.
Oh, I did it!
Oh, darn it, Riley.
Oh my gosh, you guys. What? Yeah.
I named my cube prawn. He's way long. Way long prawn.
No, I might
Right. 420. Nice.
It's 4. Yeah.
Are you going to show your own camera?
Probably not.
It's a cool camera. And film with like a webcam.
All right, and here we've got Tanky Cube's camera. Cool. Will, what camera is it?
Canon T6i. Just big lens.
With the shotgun mic and all that. I'm telling you, the equipment here, man. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
So overkill for a competition.
Cute little guy.
Thank you. He wants to be here, so why not?
You're right. Get him involved in the business.
Thank you.
What? Oh my god. That is so easy. 2001. That was weird.
It's a good thing you didn't break sub 2, so you still have goals in 2x2.
Yeah.
Yo, that's tough though. That's tough. I'll be here. You sure? Thank you. We trust Jules. Marco?
Ready?
Good job, Henry. Yo guys, so we just got out of the conference center. I'm here with Jade. Shout out your channel really quick.
Subscribe to Wolf210.
Wolf212. Wolf212. Subscribe to Wolf212. Link in description. as all the other channels that were shouted out today. So we're gonna go into the hotel really quick. I'm gonna get some food really quick, so yeah. Okay guys, once again going back to the conference center because I just remembered that I made OH round 2. So I'm gonna go back there, compete, trying to get a sub 20 single and maybe sub 20 average, which would be nice. So we'll see what happens.
It's like in bike races.
Not sub 20.
It's very good about that.
Okay, here's the stuff.
Oh my god.
Stuff. Where's more stuff?
What?
Not stuff. I had more stuff. I don't know where the stuff went.
Okay.
Stuff.
Wait, didn't you have a green Mega Minx?
I sold both of them. You wanted the red.
Pyramids round 2,
Yeah, no problem.
V2 to the red stage. Pyramids round 2, V2 to
I
the
wanted
red
one for
stage.
so long.
And Pyramids
I need to
round
check
2,
on what I
V2
said
to the
I
blue
wanted
stage.
way back in the beginning.
I believe all Pyramids and all events for today other than FMC have been called.
No.
Pyramids
so,
round
guys,
2
we just got
blue
this.
and round 2 red.
Another one.
Another one. Bleep. Late reaction.
Some more timers. Another person just solving.
Drew, I love you.
I'm saving the time.
That's in his video.
That was completely unnecessary.
Oh my god, you're so out of focus on that too. Nice.
You get to what I'm saying.
God. Got it. That's totally in his video. Oh god.
Should have said it louder.
I did. It echoed. Yeah, it did.
Guys, so Mitch is gonna come back from FMC, and this is what he's gonna see.
Dang it. I'm done. Done. This is like an addiction. Why are we even doing this?
The question is, why not?
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, I didn't really get yellow.
Just so you know, that one was on Mitch, but he just stopped it. You gave me a Gen 4. I had a Gen 3. Like, that's an upgrade, but...
Okay, that was boss. It was beautiful. Now you have to dab right after. You have to dab in the air, or you're upside down. No, it would be pretty good. It would be pretty good. You know. Oh!
Break your arm, man.
Watch out, Neil. Edward's doing.
Do one more. You don't have to dab.
I don't think it'll work.
Yeah.
That was funny though.
Promoted down on the second. Is this really 43?
Oh, bro. Guys, we're here with Brandon Lynn.
Because he's Brandon
It says it on the
Lynn,
back of his
How
jacket.
fast he's
This
going.
guy-
He's so good. This is the real Brandon Lynn.
Yeah, get
Right
his,
here.
get his,
100%
get his white
true.
jacket in there. Turn around, Lynn. Turn around, Lynn.
There
Lynn,
it is. That's
Brandon
Brandon
Lynn.
Lynn. Brandon Lynn right there, guys.
That's Brandon Lynn.
Let's show him your name tag as well.
You wanna get dinner?
Brandon Lynn.
Okay, solve it.
Hey, what happened to your TPS, Brandon?
Don't listen. He's just going slow. His hands are kind of cold.
His hands
Yeah.
are okay. Understandable.
My hands were cold today during 2x3.
He is just smoking it right now. It is so good.
At least he can solve spawn.
I thought you could one look last layer, Brandon.
Mr. Brandon Lake.
Hey, aren't you supposed to like time yourself? Can anyone?
Oh, he is timing himself.
In his brain.
No, it's timing. It's going right
He's
now.
already still says ready.
Yeah. He's got it.
That's how fast he's going.
Now you gotta move on to parody, Brandon. Have fun.
Brandon Lynn.
Yeah.
BR.
Sorry, Brandon. I didn't know you were the world record holder. I don't pay attention much to YouTube.
You gotta leave. Yeah, Brandon.
Who do you think this person
up.
was? Ryan. Who do you think he was?
Well, I didn't know the world record. Oh my God! Wait! Stop the timer! Stop the timer! Stop the timer!
Oh my god. 625.
What? What? All right, guys. So I'm in the parking lot right now, and I'm gonna be going up to Ari Kuber's room right now to eat some pizza. I think he got it from Domino's. Either Domino's or Pizza Hut. But yeah, I'm gonna get into the room right now. Alright guys, so I just came back from the Chaos Challenge and Guanlong Challenge, and that was really interesting. I have a few clips from that, so I'll play those now.
Congratulations to Kobe, you are the winner of 16 white cheese sales.
Oh yeah, you guys go. Okay.
That's bad.
Two minutes left. Just 2 minute warning. Mitch, why are you typing out so much?
Just froze it at it. Take it.
You're on the opposite side. There? There. Right side. Yo, I would do it. Then do it. No, I would do it.
Alright, 1 minute left. If your cube is still in pieces, assemble it. Do not let the surprisingly attractive guy on the box distract you.
Guys, we all need to put the boxes just around.
Looks like throw the box in there.
You are hysterical.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And
Alright, let's go. Let's go, everybody.
all right. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, expect. Competitors will go at 15 seconds. The first round, they will have 15 seconds. Judges will call at 8 and 12. Set, go. Drew Brads with a 9.40, Mitch with a 12.93. Congratulations to Drew. Max with an 8.06, Blake with a 10.89. Thank you very much, both of you. Max goes on to the next round.
Alright, so this concludes today's vlog. I actually forgot to mention a few things in the video today. First, I met a lot of people today, actually more than yesterday. I talked to the cubologist a little bit more. I talked to the Rubik's Cubed, Adam. I also talked to Ari Kuber,
and he actually helped me set up my camera because he has the exact same camera as me, the Canon T6i, and I figured out some more stuff about my camera, so hopefully it'll look better. And now my ISO isn't on auto anymore, so that's pretty good. Yeah, I learned a lot of things today. I actually was really mad that I didn't get my 747 3x3 single on camera. My mom actually recorded it, so I probably put that in instead. But I got every other solve except for the 747, so that kind of made me mad. But I got a 1095 average for 3x3. So tomorrow I'll be competing in 2x2 round 2, 3x3 round 2, and 5x5 round 2. So 5x5 I'm not going to do anything really crazy. 3x3 I'm looking for a sub 10 average, and 2x2 I want a sub 2 single because I had a 2.003. It was something like that. It was pretty hard, but I was kind of crushed when I saw it wasn't sub 2, but I gotta work towards it. So that's pretty much it for this vlog. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. If I met you at Nats, the link to your channel is in the description. So guys, if you want to see some cool people, check the description. Got some really cool channels down there. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. See you guys next time.